Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a Fiat 500 door handle. First, gather your tools: a Torx T20 screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a new handle or repair kit. Ensure your car is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient repair process, saving you time and effort later on. Now, let's remove the old handle. Begin by carefully taking off the interior door panel to expose the handle's inner workings. If your handle includes a locking button, remember to disconnect its electrical connector. Next, use your Torx T20 screwdriver to remove the two screws securing the handle. Finally, gently pry the old handle assembly free from the door frame. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new door handle assembly into its designated opening. Use your Torx T20 screwdriver to secure it with the two screws, making sure they are snug but not over-tightened. Reconnect any electrical connectors for the locking mechanism. Briefly test the handle's movement before proceeding with full reassembly. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips and screws are properly aligned and secured. Now, thoroughly test the door's operation from both the inside and outside to confirm it opens and closes smoothly. Also, verify that the central locking system functions correctly with your newly installed handle. Congratulations! Your Fiat 500 door handle is now fully repaired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.